On the left side wall is affixed a thermostat. Stepping straight ahead leads to the carpeted living area on one side and the kitchen on the other. In the back is a sliding glass door with blinds that opens to a patio or balcony. The kitchen features black appliances and white cabinetry. Inset in the back wall is a horizontally aligned window with vertical blinds. Embedded in the countertop is a stainless steel dual sink. Metallic pull handles are affixed to the cabinets above and below the countertop. A tubular light fixture is attached to the ceiling. The bathroom vanity features under-sink cabinetry. Inside an inner closet is a stacked washer and dryer. The community clubhouse features the lounge, a coffee bar. The table and chair sets are arranged by the tall windows. The opposite side of the area is furnished with sofas and upholstered armchairs. In back of the clubhouse is the swimming pool, which is configured in a wavy design. It is framed by turquoise lounge chairs and patio umbrellas.